Everything begins from Krishna. Matta sarvam pravartate. Disciple means discipline. The word discipline comes from disciple, or disciple comes from discipline. So unless there is discipline, there is no question of disciple. Discipline that should be uniform. Otherwise, Shishya, the word Shishya, it comes from the root verb, Shasbhav. Shas means ruling. From this word, Shasan means government. Shastra, and weapon. And Shastra, scripture. And Shishya, these things have come from the one root. Shasbhav. So, Dhatu means ruling under discipline. So, there is another English word that obedience is the first law of discipline or something. They say obedience is the first law of discipline. So, I am right, obedience?
Yeah, that is it, more or less what is it?
No, what is the word exact? There is an English word. Obedience is the first law of discipline. So, unless there is obedience, there cannot be any discipline. And unless there is discipline, there is no question of disciple. Disciple.
Yeah.
Disciple means who follows the disciple.
So there's no disagreement with that. I have no disagreement.
Yes, that is the point.
But I consider that the discipline and a person being disciplined must be voluntary. He must voluntarily put himself under someone's discipline.
Yes, that is accepting spiritual master means voluntarily accepting somebody to rule him.
Mm-hmm.
There is no question, I have no power to rule over you unless you voluntarily surrender.
Yeah.
I am Indian, why you American sit over me? You have done it voluntarily. Yeah. So, in India, they appreciate me only on this point, that I am Indian, I am controlling so many Americans. That is their appreciation. So, this acceptance of Guru means voluntarily surrender. Yes, Shishyasveham sadhimaham prapadna. The instruction is there in you. They are friends, Krishna and Arjuna. From material point of view, they are equal. He is also belong to the royal family, he is also belong to the royal family, and they are cousin brothers. Equal footing, friend. But still, Arjuna said, now there is no solution. I become your disciple. Shishyasve. Sadhimang prapanna. I surrender. This is Shishya. Surrender. And then lessons on Bhagavad Gita began. So we have to surrender voluntarily. Otherwise, discipline cannot be implemented.
Yeah.
That is one. Shishyasveham sadhimang.
Srila Prabhupada, it mentions in the Nectar Devotion that in the Vidya Marg, there are many things we don't want to do, but we must do in order to make advancement.
That is also modern government, democracy. I do not want to do something, but the parliament pass the law, we have to. Even I do not like. That is discipline. Just like C.R. Das. C.R. Das was one of the prominent members of Indian Congress. So, he was earning in those days, 50 years ago, 50,000 rupees per month. It is 20 times now increased. 50 years before, he was
10 lakhs a month. Nowadays, 10 lakhs.
At least 5 lakhs he was earning. So the Congress resolution was that non-cooperation, so boycott British court. We are not going. So resolution that everyone should give up practice of law in the British court. Resolution. So C.R. Das did not like that idea. He said that I am earning 50,000, I can give the whole amount for Congress propaganda. Why you are asking me to give up this practice? So, the resolution was no, we should not cooperate. We don't want money, we should not cooperate. So, and he fought in the meeting that this should be withdrawn. So it was not withdrawn. Then he resigned. So my point is that when he fought to his best that this resolution should be withdrawn and boycott of British court, but it was not done. But although you are very strong Protestant, still this is modern democracy. If the majority votes is in favor of something, even if I do not like it, I will have to accept it. That is, of course, the so-called democracy. That we do not accept that. Our obedience is to the spiritual master. In this way, we should, if there is any misunderstanding, this should be adjusted and we should watch wholeheartedly because our responsibility is very great. We are trying to contribute something to the whole world.